After this haul, I'm so damn impressed by Ajio that I think it's gonna be my go-to or like one of my most favorite apps to shop from. These are all of the packages. One, two, three. Let's go! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha and I'm back with another video. As always, if you've not already subscribed to my channel or if you're new here, then please go ahead and hit that red button and subscribe to my channel. I would really love that. Also give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. If you've seen my Myntra haul, you know that I had mentioned that I would be doing Ajio dresses haul soon. If you've not yet seen the Myntra haul, then I'll link it down below. Even this dress is from the Myntra haul, so yeah, you can check that out. For today's video, we are going to be doing the Ajio dresses haul. Now, if you guys like the Myntra haul, trust me, you're not ready for this one because this is so much better than the last one. I'll be honest, Ajio mein zyada variety hai than Myntra at like the same price range, and then Ajio offers like very good discounts and stuff. So I think according to me, Ajio is a little better than Myntra. I won't say quality wise दोनों काफी अच्छे हैं. Myntra में भी चारों dresses मिला के it was around 2000 rupees. इसमें भी I got 4 dresses and चारों मिला के it's almost less than 2000 rupees. Trust me, these 4 dresses are so different from one another that you are gonna get one of your type. I'm so excited to share them with you. So without further ado, let's get into the haul. So these are all of the packages, 1, 2 and 3. I don't even know मैं इतने सारे summer dresses का क्या करूँगी. I don't even leave my house.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Starting with the first one, we have this very pretty black colored floral dress from the brand Rio. Now, as you can see, it's not almost like jet black color. I feel personally that jet black color is not very summer appropriate, but ye lighter shade of black looks very pretty during summers. It has these beautiful orange printed flowers on it, like chota flowers, which makes it so summery. Myntra dress में भी if you have seen this dress, it has ruching in like the bust line area, जो कि इसमें भी है, but इसका ruching is more thicker in width than this dress. Also, it's very stretchy. So even though I got it in the size extra small, अगर थोड़ा इधर उधर भी होगा तो भी fit हो जाएगा. नीचे ये पूरा flare हो जाता है. So yeah, very comfortable. Sleeves भी puffed है and then end में ये ruched है, which I think looks so pretty. इसका MRP is 799 rupees and I think I got it for something 250 or 240 rupees, which I think, oh my god, is such a good price for this dress. How can you expect to get such a pretty dress at just 250 rupees? So yeah, if you're a fan like me of the color black, then you can go for this. It's so summer appropriate and so damn pretty. Now the next dress which we have is again so pretty. It's this white color dress. Now if you have seen my jeans wala video, like top 5 jeans every girl should have wala video, you know that I don't really like white or wear white because मैं हर समय white ruin कर देती हूँ, but I just wanted a white dress. So it's not exactly white, but it's a cream colored or off-white colored dress. It's in that chicken curry material. You'll see in the try-on part. Now chicken curry is very in for the season because summers mein it's very comfortable and breathable. It has lining inside, so you don't have to worry about it being see-through. It is the perfect length. It's a very modest length, so it's not very long. It's not very short. I think it's knee length, so it looks so pretty. मतलब आप इसको आराम से right accessories and footwear के साथ pair करके this dress would look so elegant. The best part about this dress again is the sleeves. As you can see, it has like these ruffled sleeves जो ऐसे stretchable है, so it will fit you एकदम exactly on your shoulders, looking very pretty. Ruffle is again so in for the season. Who doesn't like ruffles? It's again from the brand Rio and I got it in the size extra small. इसका price MRP is 1499 and I got it for 450 rupees. 450 for this quality of a dress. So worth it. So yeah, I think it's such a pretty and elegant summer dress. The next dress which I have is a maxi dress. I don't even have any maxi dress. I think this is my first maxi dress that I ever got. Now you know ये भी मैंने कैसे खरीदा. So apps just like Ajio just tempted me to buy this. उसमें बार दिखा रहा था extra small, one left, and I don't know if this happens with you, but this just tempts me more to buy this. And yeah, that's how I got it, but I don't regret it at all. I absolutely love this. This is a wraparound maxi dress. It has like a wraparound neck as well. It has slit sleeves, so damn pretty. इसका again waist area में ऐसे tie up detail है, so you can tighten it or loosen it. Now the color, I love the color. It's in like this olive colored or sage green color, which is so in during the season. All the bloggers are wearing it, so you should wear it too. I never used to buy maxi dresses because मेरे को लगता था काफी hassle होगा इतना full length dresses पहनना, but इसका material is so comfortable. It's like very thin and lightweight but not see-through at all. It's again in the size extra small and I got it from this brand called Fig. Its MRP is 1499 rupees and I got it for rupees 450. 450 for this beautiful maxi dress. I can't believe it. It's so worth it. Now the last but not the least is this dress, which is the only one which costed me more than 500 rupees. Now once you see this dress, you'll be surprised because you would be ready to pay more than what I paid for this dress because I got such a good discount. So this is this white colored sheath dress. So it has this ruched kind of bottom जो पूरा waistline से लेके end तक ruched है. Now if you scroll Insta a lot, you know that these sort of dresses are very trendy nowadays because they fit you so well, they look so pretty and they are so classy and elegant. The best part about this dress is the bottom of the dress. It has frills on the bottom of the dress and इसके sleeves के end में ऐसे ruched detailing है and there are frills on the end of the sleeves. It has a V-neck. Now again I got this dress in the size extra small and it is from the brand called Outright. Now there's this brand Outright on Ajio जिसमें काफी trendy कपड़े मिलते हैं, so you can definitely check them out. MRP is 2499 and I got it for 750 rupees, which is such a freaking steal for this dress. So yeah, these are all of the dresses that I got from Ajio. Ajio has really stepped their game up because I can't choose a favorite. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite. I love each of them equally because they are so damn pretty. Also give this video a big thumbs up if you like this and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really love that and I'll see you soon with another one. Till then, bye.
You up, I know that it's late, but I just wanna say, oh,